Hi and welcome to Dan's Diagnostics. Today we're in the all new Ford Puma and I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life and the tyre pressure monitoring system. So the first thing we need to do is open up the driver's door and look at the pillar. You can just see here you do have the sticker that shows you the different pressures. It is in bar, PSI and kPa. Today I always use the PSI, so we're looking at 35 in the front, 30 in the rear. Then we need to come inside the car after we have set our tyre pressures to the recommended settings within the specifications on the sticker. And just next to the brand new big media screen, you can now see the engine start-stop button is there. So we press this, turn on the ignition. We've now got an all new look instrument panel cluster. So we just click, using the right controls on the steering wheel, we just click the OK button to remove these messages that pop up. Click the three lines and then a new menu will pop up. Using the OK button we can scroll up and down through the menu. We scroll down to vehicle maintenance, click OK. You can see there it says tyre pressure, so if we click OK again, it will load them up. Once you've reset the tyre pressures, you will often find that you do need to drive the vehicle a little bit just to get the tyre pressures to reset accurately. So then if we press and hold OK, you can see that it comes up and storing is complete. Then for the oil life, it's exactly the same. You just make your way to this menu, scroll down to oil life, press OK, and then we'll get the oil life up. Press and hold OK on the steering wheel button again, and there we go, reset complete. That is it, nice and easy, job done. If you liked today's video, then please don't forget to hit like, please leave a comment and do subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so you are notified of when I upload new content. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.